In the previous class, we have discussed about cyclic repetition and broadcast models. So, the server needs to transmit the data to the device, to the mobile devices. So, because mobile devices always not connected to the internet, so the server has to take care to transmit all the missing records. So, there are four broadcast disk models in cyclic repetition and broadcasting disk model. So those are circular multi-disk broadcast model, flat disk model, multi-disk model, and skewed disk model. So these are the four broadcast disk models in cyclic repetition and broadcasting model. So the first one in the broadcast disk models are circular multi-disk model. So here you can see the number of disks. So here in the disk 1 the records R0 to Ri-1 is placed, and a number of records will be there in all these disks, and at last the records starting from R0 to Rj-1 is kept at the lowest level. So here how it will be arranged is, so here highest level a disk with less number of records will be placed here, and here the lowest level a disk with higher number of records will be placed here. So here all the records will be transmitted with the same rotational speed, but whereas so here in the lowest level it contains more number of records, in the highest level it contains least number of records. So this is the circular multi-disk model. So in the circular multi-disk model, so there are many number of disks at multiple levels. So here you can see them, the disks are placed in multiple levels. So here all the disks will be placed in multiple levels, and each disk contains some set of records. So and each level has some identical bandwidth. So what is meant by bandwidth? So the amount of bits that will be transmitted in 1 second, so that is known as bandwidth. So per second how many number of bits we are transmitting, that is the bandwidth. So here the bandwidth is similar throughout all the disks. So this is the circular multi-disk model. So in the circular multi-disk model, so the disks will be placed at multiple levels, and each level will have same identical or same bandwidth, but different number of bits, because so here it contains very highest it contains less number of records, whereas here it is at the lowest level it contains less number of records. So it contains high number of records. So when the high number of records will be there, we will have more number of bits to be transmitted. So here more number of bits will be transmitted, here less number of bits will be transmitted, because here less number of records will be there, so automatically less number of bits will be transmitted. Here more number of records will be there, so more number of bits. So when the records are more, then automatically the number of bits to be transmitted will be also more. So that's why, so in this circular multi-disk model, so the bandwidth of each disk, so every disk contains some set of records, so that records will be transmitted. So the bandwidth is same for all these levels. So but here in the with the same bandwidth it needs to transmit less number of records, so automatically so fast transmission is possible. So with the same bandwidth it has to transmit more number of records, so automatically so slow transmission will be there. So even though the bandwidth is uh, same for all these levels, but here less number of records will be transmitted, here more number of records will be transmitted. So that is known as circular multi-disk model. So here bandwidth is equal to 1 by ts. Okay, so that's why priority wise levels, because here less number of records, here more number of records. So suppose if this disk contains, if the highest disk, okay, so if the upper disk contains some 10 records, then the next level contains 9 or 8 records. So likewise so the records will be increased. So if it contains, so this level contains um, 9 records, so automatically it contains 10, 11, 12. So or else so the records will be increased. So when we are coming from upper to lower level, so the number of records will keeps on increasing manner. That's why priority wise levels will be there in the circular multi-disk model. So this multi-disk model presumes that all the R records which needs to be broadcasted are stored on the multiple circular disk from 0 degree to 360 degrees. So number of bits placed at angles from 0 to 360 degrees, because in the disk, so the disk is circular in shape, so it will be having the angles from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. So number of records on the disk, for example if we take the disk D1, so it will be having so R number of records. So when the disk rotates or revolves and the angle changes, the NB bits in the RI records gets pushed through the hypothetical reading. So we all know that there will be head, so the head will take the reading. So when it is touching, so when the particular angle, when the particular bit in that disk is contacting with that head, then electrical signal will be generated. So the ith head over the disk in each single revolution, so that the period of revolution of each disk is equal to t. So therefore the downlink bandwidth used by the disk is ni by t bps, so bits per second. So the average number of bits per record on each disk is equal to k. Consider there are some R records in this between the angles 0 to 360 degrees, then each of k bits therefore is equal to n equal to R into k, because R equal to number of records and each record contain k number of bits, so n equal to total number is equal to R into k. So we have discussed about some algorithms for pushing the records. So previously we have discussed that, so whenever the mobile device is again reconnected to the network, so the server has to retransmit the missed packets. Okay, so or lost packets, so those will be delivered to that mobile device. So we will use some algorithms for pushing. So those pushes will be made at selected time intervals, because the algorithms for pushes are based on a model for adaptive structuring of data records on the disks from D0 to some D n-1. So periodicity of the pushes from a disk and the bandwidth so of the records at different levels from D0, so this is the disk D0 and DQ-1. So the records at the highest level D0 have the highest priority for being pushed. So there can be cyclic repetition. So this repetition will be repeated cyclically of the data during pushes, which is similar to retrieval of data records from a disk rotating at some uniform time interval between the successive bits. So another variation for multi-disk model is this figure. So here you can see number of disks. So the first disk contains records starting from R0 to Ri-1. Second disk contains records from Rj to Rk-1. Third disk contains R0 to Ri-1. So here you can see number of records. So here in this multi-disk model, so all the R records that needs to be broadcasted are stored on the multiple circular disks from 0 to 360 degrees. So here these records will be arranged on the multiple circular disks which are from the angles 0 degrees to 360 degrees. So here the broadcast is structured as the multiple disks with varying sizes, so each spinning at various rates. So here the previously we have seen the uh, seen normal circular multi-disc broadcast model. So in that the same rotational speed will be applied to all the records, but whereas here the speed is varied, so different spinning speeds. So in this case, so first you can see here, so the highest priority records, so this is R0 to Ri-1. So next is some Rj to Rk-1. So first this record will be transmitted with one speed, and after that, after completion of this, so the records from Rj to Rk-1 will be transmitted. So again with different transmission speed, so R0 to Ri-1 will be, these records will be transmitted again. So Rj to Rk-1 records will be transmitted. So here the variable rotational speed and variable number of records will be there. So the number of records will be varied from level to level, and also the speed, rotational speed also varied. So these records will be given highest speed. So the records R0 to Ri-1 will be having the highest priority. So here you can see highest priority. So these records will be given with highest speed, rotational speed will be varied. So after completion of this, again the second priority level, these records, so Rj to Rk-1 will be transmitted. So again the speed will be varied. So from level to level the speed will be varied, but these priority levels will be based on these records. So these records, so you can see, so R0 to Ri-1 will be having, so here it will be having, so this one, so these records will be having highest rotational speed, whereas the records Rj to Rk-1 will be having least rotational speed. So the rotational speed will be changed in this multi-disc model.